Assalamualaikum, my name is Tengku Izzah Nadira binti Tengku Aziz Lizaha. This is my matrix number. I am from AM1101G. I am Nurul Energy Habibur Muhammad Sabri. I am from AM1101G and this is my matrix number.
Hi, my name is Milamia Dalila binti Azizan. This is my matrix number. I am from AM1101G.
Hi, my name is Darina Reti Shamsuri. I am from 1101G and this is my matrix number.
Do you know about compound interest? No idea about it. And I've been thinking about what annuity is.
Yeah, me too.
Hi. What is compound interest? So we're talking about what compound interest and annuity is.
Oh, but I know about it.
Really? Can you teach us?
Sure.
Let's watch our video together. Assalamualaikum and hello. Today I'm going to present about compound interest. So what is compound interest? Compound interest is when you borrow money from a bank, you pay interest. If you want to know how much interest your investment will earn or how much you will pay above the cost of the principal amount of the loan, you need to understand how compound interest works. Compound interest is calculated on the original and on the accumulated past interest. Concepts of compound interest are used in financial planning, investment, budgeting, and financial control. I am going to explain the methodology. First, original principal, capital P, the amount invested or deposited or borrowed. Next, nominal interest rate, K, interest rate together with the frequency. Next, interest rate per interest period, I, the interest rate for each interest period. The formula is I equal to K per M. Next, amount of interest, capital I, the difference between the total amount and the principal. The formula is I equal to S minus P. Next, maturity value, capital S, the total amount of principal and interest. The formula is S equal to P times 1 plus I times small n. Next, number of interest period, small n. The number of interest period during the investment period, n equal to m times t. To question 1, Ali deposited 100,000 ringgit for a car at 2.5% compounded annually for 5 years. Find the maturity value. So first, we need to put out all the information given at the question, which is P is 100,000, I is 0.025, N is 1 multiplied by 5, and S is what we are searching for. So we are using this formula, which is S equals to P in parenthesis 1 plus I with the power of N. So we put in all the information in the formula. S equal to 100,000 in parenthesis 1 plus 0.025 with the power of 5. So you will get 113,140 ringgit and 82 cents. For the special case question, Ali deposited RM 100,000 the car for 5 years. The interest rate is 2% compounded every 2 months for the first 2.5 years and 4% compounded quarterly for the rest of the period. Find the value of the accumulated amount at the end of 5 years. So as you guys can see at the side of the slide, there's P equal to 100,000, N1 equal to 6 times 2.5 equal to 15, N2 equal to 4 times 2.5 equal to 10, I1 0.02 over 6, I2 equal to 0.04 over 4. So the calculation of this question by using the formula S equal to P times 1 plus I1 times N1 times 1 plus I2 times 6(2) times N2. So S equal to 100,000 times 1 plus 0.02 over 6 times 1 plus 0.04 over 4. So S equal to RM 116,116.08. So the accumulated amount at the end of 5 years is RM 116,116.08.
Introduction of annuity. What is annuity? Annuity concept enable people to plan for the future in terms of investment and savings. Financial consultants use annuity calculation to advise people on investment. A property agent uses annuity calculation to estimate the repayment of housing loans, regular annuity repayment for property can be estimated using annuity concept. Correct and effective use of annuity concept enable people to make good decisions. Annuity calculation can also help in planning for retirement and in investment.
Methodology of annuity. In this part, we know what is S, A, R, small capital N, and small capital R. So, what is S? S is future value of annuity, or we know it as total savings and accumulated amounts of unpaid payment. What is A? A is present value of annuity, or we know it as the original loan and initial amount in the savings. The third one is R. R is amount of the periodic or series payments. Next is small capital of N. Small capital N is number of interest periods or payment. And lastly, small capital I, which is interest rate per interest period. So now we have two formula of savings and two formula of loan. So in the saving one, we have formula to find future value, which is S equal to R, brackets, in brackets 1 plus I to the power of N minus 1 divided to I. And the other one is to find interest, which is I equals to S minus R in brackets N. So, in the loan one, we have formula to find present value, which is A equals to R brackets 1 minus in brackets 1 plus I to the power of negative N divided to I. And the other one is to find interest, which is I equals to R in bracket N minus A. So here is the solution of the question. A equals to 50,000, I equals to 3%, which is 0.03, T equals to 7, M equals to 12, N equals to MT, which is 7 multiplied to 12, and we got 84. I equals to K divided to M, which is 0.03 divided to 12. So here we use loan formula to find R. 50,000 equals to R in brackets 1 minus in brackets 1 plus 0.03 divided to 12 to power of negative 84 divided to 0.03 divided to 12. 15,000 equals to R in brackets 1 minus in bracket 0.8107966 divide to 0.03 divide to 12. 50,000 equals to R in bracket 75.68130272. So the final answer is R equals to 660 ringgit 67 cents.
So this is for the special case. If Ali failed to pay the first 5 monthly payments, how much should he pay on the 6th payment to settle the outstanding areas? So this is how to solve this question. N equal to 6, R equal to 616 and 70 cents. S to the power of N equal to R bracket 1 plus 1 to the power of N minus 1 divided by I. S to the power of 6 equal to 616 and 70 cents bracket 1 plus 0.03 divided by 12 to the power of 6 minus 1 divided by 0.03 divided by 12. So the final answer is S to the power of 6 equal to RM 3,988 and 88 cents.
That's all from us. Bye.